This is the tiger Panthera tigris, the largest carnivorous member of the cat family, distinguished by its orange-yellow fur with characteristic black stripes. Male tigers measure about 2.6 to 3.3 meters in length and weigh between 150 to 360 kilograms. They inhabit forests, grasslands, and swamps across Asia. There are 6 existing subspecies, such as the Bengal tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, Siberian tiger, Sumatran tiger, Malayan tiger, and South China tiger. They live solitary lives, occupying vast territories. They only mate seasonally, and tiger mothers raise their cubs for about 3 years. As apex predators, tigers hunt alone at night, consuming up to 34 kilograms of meat in one sitting. Research indicates that only about 5,574 wild tigers remain, threatened by poaching and habitat loss. An interesting fact, though part of the cat family, tigers are not as skilled at climbing trees as leopards, but they are excellent swimmers, capable of crossing rivers up to 8 kilometers wide.